Hey guys, it's BRockSkater9 here, and today I'm going to do a toy gun collection or arsenal. So yeah, and I'll show you it. If you didn't see me there, I don't know. I'm filming this, so it's kind of hard. But first we got a 2x4, a Nerf 2x4. This is not Nerf, it does not shoot anything. I'll show you. Like that, but some Busby attachments. The Flip Fury. That's a mega thing, I forget what it's called. The Rota Fury. Sling Fire. A modded long strike. Or a long, yeah, I think it's a long strike. The bow and arrow. Shotgun, that's not Nerf. Or Busby. Nerf, that right here. That's a Shark Fire. The one above that is a different one. It's pretty cool. My rifle vest. Now we'll go to 2 6-round mags, an 18-round mag, a rifle mask, a rifle vest, a Rebel water gun, a Surge water gun, a Nerf water gun, a rapid fire CS-18 with a flip up sight in the front, extendable stock. Right next above that is something pretty cool. That gun, you just pull the top part back and then you shoot it. Doesn't shoot anything. Foam shooter, does shoot foam. My only Busby gun, I'll show you that. Right there, the bolt action. That's what those Busby attachments came from. I just took them off for the video. So that's about all my guns at house number 1. This is house number 1. Because I have 2 houses and I keep Nerf blasters and guns in both of them. So this is all my ammo here. So yeah, and crossbow. This didn't shoot anything, not Nerf. The Jolt. That one, I forget what it was. And the hammer shot. So yeah. And like, subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, BRockSkater9 is out. Bye bye. I'll show you my favorite zombie strike gun. And long strike. Sling Fire.